Hello everyone, welcome to my review channel. Today we are reviewing storage containers. I actually opened the top up first because there's no indicator on the box what it was, so I wanted to know what I'm actually saying. So if you guys are interested in these storage containers, let me know, but I'll put a link in the video description where you guys can get them. So they're nice and simple containers with a handle. So they're good for storing, rice, oatmeal, things like that. They are supposed to be airtight. So with the lid, let's see what it says here. There's nothing on here. So I don't know if they're airtight. Actually, let's put it down. Okay, yeah, it's airtight. Actually, it's not 100% airtight. As we squeeze on it, now that could be because we're pushing up the end. When we squeeze it, it pushes up. So if we lightly squeeze, it doesn't make any sound. So I do think they are airtight. You just got to make sure all the corners are down the whole way for that. But yeah, they're nice small. Let's see how they are for stacking. So they are stackable. The stacking's not 100% secure, but they shouldn't go anywhere if you want to stack up a whole bunch. Yeah, I think we can give them a 6 out of 10. We'll see how long they hold up, but definitely a 6 out of 10. Links in my video description if you're interested. Okay, I have to give an update on these containers. Yeah, they're not going to be 100% airtight sealed. This design is really stupid. I don't know why it's doing this, but let me show you. So we put food in. If you push all the corners down, and you just simply go and move this around and set it up, just set it down, look what happened. The corner comes up on both ends. Each end comes up. Now, it does act like it's sealed even if the corners come up, but the ends do come up a little bit, so a little air will be left in. Now, if you have something sitting on top of it, it will keep that lid down, but just moving it around, look, we're just turning it. The top comes up. It still stays airtight though. So I do want to point that out. Even though the top is up on the corners, it's still airtight because of the design right here. So it doesn't go past that lip unless you're really pressing hard on it. I mean, we're pressing hard and then it pops up. So just with normal moving, the corners will come up, but it will still stay airtight. So I would say maybe 1% of air will get in, which won't be enough to make your food stale unless it goes weeks and weeks and weeks. And different foods are different. But I just wanted to point that out. And of course, once you have something setting on top of it, I don't know. It must be the design of this. The lids aren't as tight as they probably should be. I think the lids are a little too loose, and that's what causes it. So we're downgrading it to a 5 out of 10. We would go lower, but it does still stay airtight unless you're really squeezing, then it pops up. And if it's not airtight, I would say 1% of the air gets left in, so it's still not a big deal. I just would stack them. That would probably be the smartest thing. Put something on top of it just to keep it from the lid coming up.